Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a single arm lat pull down with a twist. Like, it's not like there's a twist in the exercise, you're twisting your arm as you do it. Cool, that video is coming up right now. So, the single arm lat pull down. Firstly, you need a lat pull down machine, and then you'll need to get a handle cable, like so, not the long bar. You want a single handle like so. You're gonna set yourself up. Now, annoyingly, I'm a little bit too tall for this machine, hence my bum is hanging off the bench a little bit as I show you this exercise. But you would wanna be set nice and proper on the plates in front of you. Get your feet wherever's comfortable. It can be flat on the floor if you prefer, and then, or just up on here. I prefer them up. Then, similar to the lat pull down, and if you've watched my lat pull down video, you'll know how I talk about kind of engaging your angel wings as you do this. So when we do a lat pull down, we're wanting to get into this part of our back. So we're gonna send our elbows out round on this direction, and then you kind of pull it in at the bottom for you. Now, doing it with a twist and with a single hand, we really get to maximize that pulling in at the bottom, where we squeeze our armpit together, almost like we're squeezing juice out of a piece of fruit. And then that will really help engage the latissimus dorsi, which sits just here in the back. So we need to think about those angel wings. And again, we're gonna come down and round on this kind of angle as we're pulling the handle in towards us. And then sort of when you're about 7/8 through the exercise, you twist it in and you pull it in. And it looks a little bit like this. So I'm starting with my palm facing outwards like so. I'm going to drive my elbow back and down as normal to here. And then once I'm in this position, that's when I twist it in and I just pull in for that last little bit. And then as I come away, I go back exactly the same way I came up. Now you'll notice I'm leaning back quite a lot. I've got my core nice and engaged, nice and strong. My hand is on the weight. And again, you won't need much weight for this. It's surprisingly taxing with that twist. So we're going to be here, driving that elbow out, and then once I'm past that sort of line, there, once I'm past the shoulder, I'm twisting it and pulling it in to my body. And then I'm coming up on a nice wide angle and bringing it in like so. What I'll do is I'll show you the angle on the front side so you can really see the shape of the arm, and then you'll be good to go. So I'm just going to show you the angle on the front. So I'm going to grab the handle, and as you'll see, I'll drive my elbow out down here, and then here I just turn in like so, and then back away exactly the same way. Now, I see a lot of people when they do this exercise, they're going to be here, and they seem to rotate all the way in like so. We don't need that. We don't need a full 180. We just need to come square like this, and then they'll come out and back down. Enjoy that squeeze at the bottom, and up you go, okay? Keep it balanced on each side. You don't need to be quite as heavy as you might think you'd need to be on this. It's a very taxing exercise. That rotation definitely makes a big difference. Enjoy it, have fun, stay safe. And if you have any other questions on this exercise, then please, please, please let me know below. Have a great day. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.